In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Google Classroom when you find yourself stuck because it only says move and doesn't seem to give you an option to unenroll. This is a common scenario for many users, especially for those who find themselves as the creator of a class. So let's dive right in and address this issue step by step. First things first, head over to google.com. This is where our journey begins. Google's homepage is the gateway to all of its applications, including Google Classroom. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you will find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on this. This action is your first step into accessing your Google Classroom among other Google services. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This should be the account associated with the Google Classroom you're trying to leave. Select the correct account to proceed forwards. Following your selection, you'll then be asked to type in your password. Security is crucial for Google, so take your time to ensure you enter your password correctly. Upon successfully entering your password, click on Next to proceed. This will take you into your Google account, giving you access to all of Google's services connected to this account. From here, we're getting close to our main goal. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is symbolized by a grid of 9 small squares located at the top right of the page, beside your profile image or icon. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu full of various Google apps. In this affluent drop-down menu, you will want to locate and click on Google Classroom. This will direct you exactly where you need to be. Once Google Classroom loads, you will be on the home page where you can see all your classes. To address our main concern today, select the specific class you're wishing to leave. This might require you to go to your Classroom page, which can be directly accessed by typing in or clicking on https://classroom.google.com/h if you're not automatically taken there. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky, but stay with me. Once you're viewing your class, notice the 3 vertical dots on the class card or within the Classroom interface. This is often located at the top right corner or beside the classroom's name. Clicking on these dots usually reveals a menu with various options. But here's a key piece of information. If you only see move and there's no unenroll option, breathe easy, it's not a bug. This simply means that you are the creator or an instructor of that class. As the owner, Google Classroom does not provide an option to unenroll directly in the same way as it does for students. But fear not, there is a solution. Your next step is to archive the class. Archiving is essentially Google's way of allowing class creators to step away from a class without deleting it. When you archive a class, it becomes read-only. This means that while you and the students can still view the class's content, no new assignments can be started and no new comments can be made. To archive the class, click on Archive from the same menu where you found the Move option. Archiving the class is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to remember that this action doesn't delete the class. If your goal is to completely remove yourself and the class from Google Classroom, you may need to take additional steps to delete the class after archiving it. Be mindful that deleting a class is a permanent action, and that's it. You've successfully navigated how to leave a Google Classroom when all it seems to offer is the option to move. This process may have seemed daunting at first, but with these steps you'll be able to manage your Google Classroom more effectively, whether you're tidying up your digital space or making room for new learning opportunities. Remember, Google Classroom is a powerful tool for both educators and learners, and knowing how to navigate its features, including how to leave a class, is essential for making the most out of your online learning experience. If you have any more questions, or if there's another Google Classroom tip you're curious about, let us know in the comments below. Happy learning!